Cute outfit.
Oh,
Hey, I like your jacket.
Yo, bro, I love your outfit.
I love you too.
What?
Damn it!
I love your shirt. Boop.
What did I just say? Why did I say that? That's so weird.
I love your jacket.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I like your hair.
Oh, shit.
Fuck! Shit, God damn it!
Hiya.
Really nice weather today, yeah?
Yes.
I like your sweater.
Yeah.
I like your outfit.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I like your jumpsuit.
Great weather today.
Yeah,